Hi, today I want to show you this really cool case for iPhone 14. So this case comes in this really nice box. Now when you open it, first you have the two screen protectors, which is a plus to have one extra of course, and then you get the case itself. Now this is really nice looking case. The one I bought is in this red color, but there is many different color options. So it has this kind of red and black combo with two little black strips to the bottom of the case. Now this case is kind of combined from two layers. You have this nice softer part on the inside, and it even looks cool with this honeycomb shape. And then you have this kind of hard shell on the exterior part of the case. Of course you have all the buttons for volume adjustment, power, and then all the necessary cutouts, and that includes the cutouts for the speakers and the charging port. And by the way, if you're interested in this case, the link is gonna be in the description down below. And now back to the video. But what's really cool about this case is it has this little stand, and you can set up the stand in kind of two positions, little higher angle and then little lower angle. And if you don't need to use the stand, you just close it, and that actually complements the look of it, I think. So really nice looking case, good quality too, and for that price I think this is no brainer. And if you still wanna check some other cases, make sure to check one of these two videos on the side. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you next time. Bye.